Let's be real, waking up already exhausted is the worst. You know the feeling. The alarm shrieks, and your first thought isn't about seizing the day, it's about the mountain of stress you're already carrying. You feel stuck, with zero drive to even get started. What if you could gently nudge your brain toward motivation, starting the night before? And what if it only took a few minutes? You're about to learn 7 simple mindfulness exercises designed to interrupt that cycle of stress and fatigue. These aren't hour-long, complicated meditations. They're quick, practical techniques that can help prime your brain for a more motivated day, one moment at a time. First up, a breathing technique that instantly helps calm your nervous system, the 4-4-6 breath. It's incredibly simple. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4, gently hold for 4, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6. The magic is in that longer exhale. It helps activate your body's rest and digest system. And this style of breathing is linked to lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol that can kill your drive. Practicing this for just a few minutes before bed can help you fall asleep more easily and wake up feeling more refreshed. Next is an exercise you can do without even leaving your bed, the 5-minute body scan. Just lie down comfortably and close your eyes. Bring your attention to the very top of your head and then slowly scan all the way down to your toes. As you move your focus, just notice any tension or sensation without judging it. The goal isn't to force anything. The goal isn't to force anything to happen, but simply to pay attention. By acknowledging where you're holding stress, you give your body a chance to release it, setting the stage for more restorative rest. When your mind is racing with tomorrow's to-do list, you need an anchor. That's where the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique comes in. It's a powerful way to pull yourself out of your head and into the present moment. Wherever you are, just name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can feel, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This exercise shifts your focus from internal worries to your external surroundings, calming your nervous system. You don't need to carve out extra time for this next one. Just shift your attention. Turn your walk to the kitchen or your car into a mindful practice. Instead of letting your mind spiral, bring your focus to the physical sensations of walking. Feel the rhythm of your steps. Both gentle physical activity and mindfulness are known to support well-being. It's a fantastic way to energize your body and mind. This is more than just making a list of things you're thankful for. To really make it stick, you need to feel it. Take 2 minutes and think of 3 specific things you are genuinely grateful for. For each one, ask yourself why it matters to you. This simple shift in focus is associated with improved mood. It helps strengthen the neural pathways for positive thinking. If you're finding these techniques helpful and want more science-backed ways to reclaim your focus, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. When you feel overwhelmed, you can use a technique popular among Navy SEALs to stay calm under pressure, box breathing. It's incredibly simple. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold again for 4. This balanced rhythm is a great tool for helping to regulate your autonomic nervous system, which can reduce anxiety and sharpen your focus. Finally, one of the best ways to combat mental fatigue is to connect with nature, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Step outside and simply observe. Notice the sights, sounds, and smells around you. Pay attention to the way leaves move in the wind. Research suggests that exposure to natural environments can help restore our attention, clearing the way for motivation to surface. Look, you don't need to master all 7 of these at once. The point isn't to add another overwhelming task. The goal is to build one small, sustainable habit. So here's my challenge to you. Pick just one technique to try tonight, because motivation isn't something you just find. It's something you build, one mindful moment at a time.